Hi besties, welcome to this episode of Dinner's Moment. So I'm going to go as fast as I can to keep up with my video. While carving your brow, you have to focus on your brow bone. Very, very important. And then I went in to wipe my face. You guys, make sure you wipe your face very well. Apply your moisturizer. I didn't do my whole face skin prep procedure in this video. I don't know, because of time or something, I don't know, or maybe I just had in mind it's a photo shoot. She's not going out with the makeup. And then I went in with my foundation. I had to mix 2 shades of ZKL foundation. These are just ZKL foundation. You don't need an expensive foundation to get a bomb look. These are ZKL foundation. ZKL foundation is like 3.5 on the market. So yeah, thank me later. I went in to blend with my damp beauty blender, focusing, making sure when I blend, I just tap on the face. As you can see, the color is going into her skin. The color is going into her skin. So maybe in my next video I'll teach you how to determine a client's skin tone. I'll teach you how to determine a client's skin tone. Yeah. So after that, I went in with my blush. I love this, my blush palette. Like, you guys, I saw one of my favorite makeup artists, Clara C Beauty, using it, and I bought it. Since then, it's been saving my life. I even improvise it with for my eyeshadow look. Okay, yeah, so this is Noban concealer, and I'm just applying my concealer, my highlighter in the best places possible. And then, you guys, I usually go for a shade lighter than my skin tone when I'm choosing my highlighter color. A shade lighter than my skin tone, because I don't like blending. I don't like too much blending. So when you put yourself in high jump, you begin to blend your life away. So I like to make it easier for me. At the end of the day, when you use 2 or 3 shade lighter, you still have to blend it down. So why go through all of that process? So yeah, I use a shade lighter for my concealer. And after that, the next thing is, what was I even doing behind that girl? My model, sorry. Okay. See all of the time I wasted. Dinners. Sha. You guys, pardon me. So yeah, I'm going in with my loose powder. I like applying my loose powder first on my concealer before going in with my setting powder. It helps it not to break. I don't know about you. Just do what works for you. This makeup thing, there is no makeup. There is no procedure. At the end of the day, our aim is to get what is it even called? A flawless look. Yes, thank you. And here I'm applying my brow concealer, brow tamer, my brow frizz to frizz her brows. When I started applying this, I forgot to go in with my setting powder, because sometimes these brow tamers, they have oil, and when you don't dry out the oil in it with your setting powder, like your eyeshadow, your pencil gets, I don't know, for me it gets damp, like it gets shiny, and I don't like my pencil shiny. So I had to go back again with my setting powder before drawing my brows. So you guys, if you want a full brow tutorial, please let me know. I am here for you. That comment section is for something. Tell me what you want on my comment section, and I would give you exactly what you demand for. I will give you exactly what you demand for. So for now, I am doing what comes to my mind, because I want to keep you guys entertained. But anytime you need me to teach you a particular thing, just say hi, Dinners, in my comment section. This is what I want from you. So for my while I'm concealing my eye pencil, I'm using 2 shades, as you can see. So for my brow bone, I use 2 shades lighter than my skin tone on my brow bone. I usually go for a shade lighter, but yes, that day, I like this time around I went in with 2 shades like that. I don't even know why, but then I think I like the outcome apart from when I started doing my photo shoots. Yeah, so and then I go in to conceal my upper line with my foundation, the skin tone, the foundation I used on her skin. When I do this, it enables me not to blend a lot, not to blend out the concealer. I don't have to blend out too much, a lot of things, because automatically the concealer, the color you're using is the color of your foundation. So it goes in seamlessly into the skin when you start blending your concealer. So you guys go in, follow the process with me. And after that, I try to blend around my brow bone, making sure I don't contaminate. She is contaminate. Shami, I don't even know. I don't apply my concealer, my foundation into the concealer and mix up the colors. And after which, I'm going in with my loose powder. As you can see, loose powder. Because anytime you do apply concealer, before you start doing anything else, make sure you apply loose powder on, it's loose powder. Make sure you apply loose powder on that concealer because it's usually sticky, and if you mistakenly place your hand on it, you're lifting it up. So I try to take precautions while working so I don't have to do extra job later on. So this is my eyeshadow process. I first of all went in with my yellow color and just go through the process with me because I have I think the colors are showing, the colors I'm using are showing. Later on I will drop the name of my eyeshadow palettes and the description. So yeah, make sure you check on the description for the name of my eyeshadow palette. You guys, this eyeshadow palette is up to 5 years now, 4 or 5 years now. So I just hope you can still see it in the market. Yes. And okay, so when I started applying my brown color, I wasn't sure about what the shade I wanted. The brown color in my eyeshadow palette wasn't giving me the vibe I needed. So I went in with the brown on my powder palette. There are lots of browns in the powder palettes. I don't know the powder palette you're using, but sometimes when you're confused with brown colors, just go to your powder palette and switch things up for yourself. And that's what I did. So you guys, I tried doing this hack on my eyeshadow and I think it's backfired. So I couldn't find my lip glitter glue, so I improvised with my lip gloss. Yes, I improvised with my lip gloss. So in case you're confused sometimes, or you're missing your glitter glue, go in with your lip gloss, the very sticky one. This one is not really sticky because by the time I was done with my makeup, I noticed that the glitters was just shifting because it's not a glue after all, it's a gloss. And then I had to go in again, but after I went in the second time, it didn't shift again. So yeah, just to save your life, anytime you go to work and then you miss one of your working tools, improvise, guys, improvise. There is no formula to this makeup thing. At the end of the day, we just hope to get a flawless look, and the job of a makeup artist to design, achieve, and then maintain. Make sure you maintain your look. The makeup doesn't break during your client's occasion or whatever. So I know that this my weaving is old, but then this my hair is old. But then please ignore it and focus on, do not bash me. Focus on my creation and not the creator. Thank you. Yeah, so we're almost done with this makeup look, and I'm applying my lipstick. I don't usually do red. I don't know why. Sometimes my clients just like going for a mild colors. So I think I'm going to do more of red lip stains these days. At least I'm getting a model for it, so I don't have to ask my clients, what do you want? Do I want this a light color or an orange color or nude, or so yeah, I did a red color, but then I just felt the red is just too much, so I topped it up with a little bit of orange. And then I think, well, I wanted to start my shoots and my pictures, and so this is where I touched up my glitters. Because it shifted because of the lip gloss that I used. But then after I went in for the second time, it didn't happen again. So yeah, we are done. Yay. Okay, so look at my girl, look at my bride. Not my bride, sorry, my model. Like, she sat pretty throughout my entire shoot, like, procedure. She was so calm and patient with me, guys. What we went through during this shoot, is not here. I'm sure if you ask her, she will tell you a lot of stories. But then, baby girl, I'm inviting you back to the studio again for a bridal shoot. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. If you enjoyed this shoot, stay tuned for our premium content. And please comment, like, share our videos. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. Comment, let me know what's next you want. Thank you, and God bless.